If it's warm out, that means it's still grilling season. And today I want to show you how to make these salmon kebabs with a cilantro sauce that is going to be out of this world. First, let's start off by skewering some of this salmon. And today we're using Mowi Atlantic salmon. The convenience part is that it's already portioned for you, and all you have to do is pretty much cube it so that you can skewer it. I'm gonna cut some thin slices of lemon, and the reason you want it thin is because when you bend it in half, you'll be able to skewer right through it between each chunk of the salmon. And season your salmon. Today I'm gonna be using some Old Bay, but honestly, salt, pepper will work just fine. All right, perfect. Let's preheat our grill and start working on our cilantro sauce. And all we're gonna do is, in a food processor, we're gonna be adding some fresh cilantro, a little bit of Greek yogurt, half an avocado, lemon juice. I like to add some heat with some jalapeno. Add a few tablespoons of olive oil, salt, and watch it all come together. It's a bright, beautiful green sauce that is gonna genuinely complement this salmon. Okay, it's time to get our grill on. And that's pretty much it. Serve these salmon kebabs with plenty of this cilantro sauce, some extra on the side, and check out how happy you've made your friends and family at your next barbecue.